it's chili.
Cheese.
Careful. Kasi for ito remove the seed so because the house is very close to us here.
Oo nga. Isang ano lang tawag, kapitbahay! And then
Oo.
agad.
So just put salt and pepper.
Salt, pepper, and then MSG.
Yeah. Maybe sarap. Many also?
Ang dami. We have no plan to, mag-wife, mag-asawa.
You know?
Kuya Gerard. Yes, no
When
plan
he
to,
built
get
already.
married.
He built this when we are about to get married.
Ah,
So
okay.
he knows. He knows already.
Yeah.
He knows already.
He forgot pala. Kaya nga eh. He take a picture without me. Very nice. And then when he take my picture, oh my goodness.
Hindi good.
Oh.
When you take his picture, ganda.
Every time I don't know with him.
Same.
Ate Dilos nga eh.
Same.
Joseph every
Gerard
time
there.
nagpapaputo from ano eh. Like, example, nature or anything. But, pagdating sa akin, oh my goodness. Parang gusto mo nang burahin sa mundo.
This way, ate, if I want to take my picture, a good picture,
Uh-uh.
myself na lang, just record. And there's remote. If Gerard the one
Bakit kaya?
take my picture, parang like, bakit? Get me like
Blurred.
from the top like this.
Oo.
And then I'm look so very short.
Oo, ganyan din si Joseph. Basta, take lang. Okay na, goods na. Done. Okay, next. Tapos blurred pa.
This way, I'm just record na lang.
Mas nice pa lang.
Yeah.
bring this?
Yeah, I bring that. The one when the last day we take picture sama lahat. Yes.
Okay. Nice naman. Akin kasi may ring light kaya di ko mabring. Like this.
Yeah. Kasi lazy to bring it like that. Big.
Kaya nga eh.
But as long we take picture labas, okay lang. May
Sa labas.
light.
Labas ako niya.
But that time when we take picture sa beach, it's cloudy.
So, nung pauwi tayo,
Yes,
Then,
I think
ano?
second day
second day.
in the evening.
Ay, oo.
Parang gusto ko sunset lang like that.
Oo, sa morning no. Sunset.
Oo.
Afternoon.
Oo, afternoon.
Okay na yan.
This but this.
Lungkot.
Bakit? So big. Cheers. Init! Ata init!
Ano pa?
Hindi init.
Sarap.
Sarap.